For those looking to breathe new life into older laptops, notebooks, or all-in-one computers, the GIGASTONE 8GB 20-pack DDR3 RAM kit might be the answer. This kit packs a whopping 160 gigabytes of memory, spread across 28 gigabytes SATA modules. Designed for laptops, these modules operate at 1,600 MHz, also known as PC3-12800, and are backward compatible with 1,333 MHz PC3-10600 systems. One of the key features is its dual voltage support, operating at both 1.35V and 1.5V. This makes it compatible with a wide range of laptops, including those that require the lower voltage for power efficiency. The modules are CL11, 204-pin, unbuffered, and non-ECC, which is standard for laptop memory. The GIGASTONE kit is a straightforward upgrade for older machines needing a memory boost. More RAM can translate to snappier multitasking, faster application loading times, and an overall smoother computing experience. Gamers with older laptops might see improved performance in less demanding titles, and professionals working with large files or running multiple applications simultaneously will likely appreciate the increased memory capacity. Compatibility is a strong point. GIGASTONE has designed these modules to work with a broad spectrum of laptops, notebooks, and all-in-one computers. However, it's always crucial to double-check your device's specifications to ensure DDR3 SATA compatibility and maximum supported memory. While this kit is not designed for the latest gaming rigs or high-performance workstations, it offers a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan and improve the performance of older systems. If you have a fleet of older laptops or a single machine that's starting to show its age, the GIGASTONE 160GB DDR3 RAM kit is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.